Hey there, fellow gardeners. Are you tired of watching your precious crops fall victim to pesky invaders? Well, I've got an eco-friendly, budget-friendly solution for you. Baking soda. Yep, that's right. The same baking soda you have in your kitchen can save your garden from unwanted critters. Let's dive in and learn how to mix up this natural pest control remedy. First off, you'll need some baking soda and water. To make the mixture, simply combine 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 gallon of water. Give it a good stir until the baking soda is fully dissolved. Now grab a spray bottle. You can find these at any garden center or even reuse an old one you have lying around. Pour your baking soda solution into the spray bottle and we're almost ready to go. But before you start spraying, it's important to test a small area of your plants first. Apply a little bit of the solution to a few leaves and wait 24 hours to see if there's any adverse reaction. Safety first, right? Once you've confirmed your plants are okay with the solution, it's time to get to work. Spray the mixture directly onto the pests you find on your plants. Baking soda is especially effective against aphids, whiteflies, and even powdery mildew. Make sure to cover both the tops and undersides of the leaves, as pests like to hide out in those nooks and crannies. Now you might be wondering how often you should apply this natural pesticide. I recommend spraying your plants once a week or after it rains, as the solution can wash off with water. Consistency is key to keeping those pesky invaders at bay, but wait, there's more. Baking soda doesn't just tackle pests, it also helps to neutralize the pH level on the surface of your plants, creating an environment that's less favorable for fungi and other harmful microorganisms. It's like a 2-for-1 deal, pest control and plant health booster all in one. And there you have it, an easy, natural, and effective way to protect your beloved crops. No need for harsh chemicals or expensive treatments, just a simple solution made with baking soda right from your kitchen pantry. Say goodbye to pests and hello to a healthier, more bountiful harvest. So give this method a try and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, everyone!